Hi there, I'm Don. I thought I'd do another shop update today. Since the last one, it's been very busy. I've finished up 2 more mallets. Hopefully you've had a chance to look at the videos on those. And I've sent the entries off to the contests. Mitch Peacock in the UK was having the hashtag ToolMake18. And for Mitch, I sent off the video for the 2 mallets that I built and the woodcarver's mallet turning. I also sent off to him, since it was a tool, I sent the video of the ice cream scoop. And then for James King Fine Woodworking, James and his family do a great job over there. I sent off the video for the 2 mallets, and I entered both of the dead blow mallets in his particular contest and the turning of the woodcarver's mallet. Then while I was turning, I decided to turn, as you saw in the video, a second woodcarver's mallet. I did that for James Wright over at Wood by Wright. James has a contest every year. He calls it the hand tool build-off. And what he does is something different. You do an instructional video, and then the piece that was turned in that particular video or built in that particular video gets sent off to someone else who can use it. So this mallet, actually the first mallet, not the one I turned, but the first mallet, the better of the 2, is going to go off to someone else who can use a woodcarver's mallet. I think that's a great part and a good contribution to the woodworking community. Page 2. So you can see it's been a very busy week out here in the shop with my lathe, and it's been a very busy week in the house doing all the editing for all the videos. I'd like to thank Trump Kramer again for pointing out my microphone problems and getting back to me on that. He and some others have said the new microphone helps out quite a bit, so thank you for that. I really appreciate all of you who subscribe to the channel. Sometime yesterday afternoon we reached that 100 mark. And I thank you for that. Numbers aren't that important to me, but they're much more important to YouTube. So I appreciate reaching that particular milestone. This week is going to be a very busy week for me outside of the shop, so I'm not going to get a whole lot done. But I am going to get back to the workbench. I've got the materials sitting over there, and part of the top is sitting over in that corner of the shop. Nick Ferry on his channel did a wonderful build, and some of the joinery that Nick used I may incorporate in my new workbench. So I thank Nick for doing that, and if I do, I'll send a video off to him. This particular mallet is going to go up on my tool wall over here, and I'm going to use it here in the shop. I really like both mallets that I turned, so that one's going to go there. And as I mentioned in the video, this one's going to go in my office. I decided that would be a nice reminder, and again, a conversation piece for people that come and visit. And the woodcarver's mallet's going up on my tool wall as well. I'm finding out, by the way, that this tool wall between the windows over here is a great asset to have in the shop. I'm constantly going over there. It'll be much better when the workbench is built over here underneath the windows. But I'm finding it a great place to store my tools, and also I can find them. So once I can get my assembly table all cleaned up and get the workbench built and some drawers and some cabinets, I'll be able to organize the shop a whole lot better and maybe even do a shop tour sometime in the future. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Comments and questions, if you have any of those, please leave those as well. I thank you all for subscribing, and again, reaching that 100 mark was really nice. And thank you very much for watching.